A New Zealand inventor has decided to take on legions of golf purists around the world by reinventing the ancient game from the ground up, starting with a truly Kiwi adaptation of the golf ball. Burton Silver, a locally renowned inventor and humorist, is trying to convince golfers that this time he is serious and that his oval golf ball is for real. Because it can only rotate on two axes, his ball cannot hook or slice, thereby eliminating the two big banes of an average golfer's game. The ball also travels significantly further than a round golf ball, which has meant Silver has had to adapt the entire game of golf to match his ball. He recently launched the first running of a new form of golf called GolfCross across the magnificent moorlands of New Zealand's South Island. Far removed from the stuffy, manicured fairways of the country club, GolfCross is a free-for-all race to the finish across distances more reminiscent of a marathon race than a golf tournament, and on fairways that look more like sheep pastures. But for now, New Zealanders caught between enjoying a game of rugby or a game of golf have the perfect compromise.